Good job. Look at you. Wait, trace the D again.
Okay. This one?
No, that's the R. What letter is that?
R.
R. And this one?
A.
No, E.
E. N.
No, D.
D.
R, E,
E,
D.
D.
How do you spell red?
R-A-D.
No, R-E-D.
R-E-D.
All right, let's trace this one. What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. All right. Do it with the pencil. Trace the letters. Down here. No, down here.
Trace the letters.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start with the middle one.
Okay.
I want to start. I want to start with this one.
Okay.
What does this say?
That's a Y. E. L. O. W.
W.
Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow.
Man needs to make it much noise.
It's alright, don't worry about him. Just trace your letters. No, it's too squiggly. Fix it. There you go. Try it again. Alright, there you go.
Yeah.
The other way.
Other way.
There you go. Manny.
Can you help me trace it?
No, you can do it. You were doing really good. There you go. Manny. Shh. What are you doing? No. Okay, here you go. Wait. Here you go. Apple. Ball. Car. Show me the car. Car. Very good. Where's the ball? La bola. La bola. Where's the ball? The car. This is the car. Car. No. Nata, you're almost done. Wow. Good job. All right, can you do one more?
Huh?
Let's do one more. What color is this?
Blue.
Very good. All right. Trace the blue. This is a B, L, U, E.
That's a 1.
No, it looks like a 1, but it's not a 1. It's an L.
But it looks like a 1.
Okay. All right, let's trace. I think you were supposed to be left-handed. Good job. Huh? A little bit outside the line. No. Now you're making up your own letter. You have to erase the top too. Erase the top. Let me see. Mira, Tarzán, estate quieto. All right, let's start again.
He dropped the book.